If your smile is not what you want it to be, take a look at Dream Dental Implant Center. It's a place I would do business because I have investigated this company. And as a result, I trust them, and I am proud to declare Dream Dental Gephardt Approved. Dr. Hendriks calls what he does a life-changing procedure.
Now, Mark, this is the real deal, man. I mean, from here on out, you're going to be a changed person.
Definitely have a lot more confidence and I smile more often.
In fact, at this facility, they are only doing full mouth restorations with smile after smile to prove it.
Most of the cases that I'm taking on are cases where we're extracting 14 to 28 teeth, and then we're placing implants that very day, and we're actually giving them a smile that day.
Dr. Hendriks does more than just surgery. He teaches what he does to others from around the world.
Any question under the sun he's willing to answer, which is just amazing. So live surgery, this is pretty much one of the best ones I've ever been to.
This is something you got emotional about.
Yeah, it is emotional, because honestly, I treat these people, my patients are like family to me. And when they come in and I can see it in their eyes that they're just in pain. And so to me, to be able to find a solution to the struggles they're having, that honestly that's what gets me out of bed.
Now you know what I know about Dream Dental Implant Center. You now know why I trust and endorse them. And you now know why I am proud to declare Dream Dental Gephardt Approved.